Unraveling the Meaning of Final Round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we'll dive into an interesting English phrase, final round. Whether you're a language enthusiast or preparing for English exams, understanding phrases like this can be incredibly useful. So, let's explore together. Final round is a phrase that is used in various contexts, but it generally refers to the last stage or last part of a competition, discussion, or process. The word final implies the end or conclusion, while round can mean a stage, phase, or part of something. Examples in different contexts. 1. In competitions, in a sports tournament or a game show, the final round is the last stage where the winner is decided. 2. In discussions or meetings, it could refer to the last session of negotiations or talks. 3. In processes, in a selection or elimination process, like a job interview, the final round might be the last stage of evaluation. Now, let's see how to use final round in sentences. 1. Competitive context. The chess players are gearing up for the final round of the tournament. 2. Business context. After several interviews, she's made it to the final round of selections. 3. Casual use. We're in the final round of our board game night. Remember, the context in which it's used can slightly alter its meaning, but the core idea of being the last part remains constant. 1. Do not confuse with last round. While similar, last round can be more casual and less definitive than final round. 2. Context matters. Always use it in a context where there is a preceding series of events or stages. 3. Avoid overuse. Use this phrase when it clearly refers to a concluding segment, not just any ending. And that's a wrap on final round. Remember, understanding phrases like this can add depth to your English skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.